Welcome, friends. Today, I will tell you about the magic of numbers and the 7 digits that will bring you luck on December 19th. Sounds incredible? Don't rush to turn this off. You might be on the verge of a major change, and these numbers could be the key to success, harmony, and inner peace. Watch this video to the end to learn how to harness their power in your life. These numbers have been carefully selected based on their unique vibrations. Stay tuned, and you'll discover how they can guide you to a brighter future. We often don't notice that we are surrounded by numbers, in our phones, house numbers, and bank accounts. But have you ever thought that each number carries unique energy? If you understand and apply this energy correctly, it can radically change your life. Today, I will share which numbers can bring you luck on this special day, December 19th. Let's start with the idea that numbers have been attributed with magical properties for centuries. This wisdom has been passed down through generations, proving its timeless significance. Open your mind, and let's uncover the secrets of these powerful digits. In various cultures, numbers have symbolized something greater. For instance, the number 7 is considered a number of spiritual power in many traditions. But what makes December 19th special? Astrologers and numerologists believe that each number in a specific date holds unique vibrations. December 19th is a day when certain numbers can literally transform your reality. This transformation happens when you align yourself with the energies of the day. Let's dive deeper and uncover these magical numbers together. On this day, the universe seems to align to amplify the power of these numbers. The first number that will bring you luck is 1. 1 is the number of leadership, initiative, and new beginnings. If you've been postponing an important task, today is the perfect time to start. Write it down in your notebook or calendar. 1 is your symbol of reaching new heights. For example, if you've been wanting to start exercising, today is the day to take the first step. Picture yourself leading confidently and embracing new opportunities. This number will empower you to become the best version of yourself. Let its energy push you toward conquering your goals with determination. The next number is 9. 9 symbolizes completion and wisdom. It reminds us that to move forward, we need to finish what we've started. Think about what in your life needs closure. Perhaps it's an unfinished project or a conflict with a loved one. Today, the energy of 9 will help you let go of the past. Imagine a fresh start, free of old burdens. Allow 9 to guide you toward a peaceful resolution. As you embrace closure, you'll open the door to new opportunities. The third number is 3. 3 represents creativity and self-expression. Use its energy to showcase your talents. For instance, if you've been wanting to write a poem, paint a picture, or create a video, December 19th is the perfect day for creativity. 3 will help you unlock your potential. Visualize yourself immersed in a creative flow, producing something extraordinary. Let this number inspire you to bring your dreams to life. Its energy invites you to explore new and exciting ways to express yourself. The fourth number is 7. This is the number of spiritual strength and intuition. On this day, pay attention to your inner feelings. If something tells you to change your route or make an unexpected decision, trust your intuition. 7 is your compass in finding your true path. It helps you connect with your higher self and make decisions with clarity. Embrace the peace and wisdom this number brings. Trust that 7 will lead you to discover profound truths about yourself. The fifth number is 5. It symbolizes change and moving forward. If you feel stuck in a routine, 5 will bring you the energy of renewal. Maybe today is the day to try something new, visit a new cafe, meet someone new, or explore a new subject. The energy of 5 reminds us to embrace the unknown. Trust in the excitement of new beginnings, and let this number invigorate your spirit. By welcoming change, you'll find fresh inspiration and growth. The sixth number is 2. This is the number of balance and harmony. It reminds us that success comes when we find equilibrium between work and rest, ambitions, and caring for loved ones. Spend this day in harmony with yourself and those around you. Picture yourself as a bridge, connecting opposing forces in perfect unity. The number 2 helps you create peace in all aspects of life. By seeking balance, you'll cultivate a sense of serenity and well-being. And finally, the 7th number is 8. 8 is the symbol of infinity and abundance. This is a day to think about your financial goals. Perhaps it's time to review your budget or consider new income opportunities. The energy of 8 will help you attract prosperity. Picture wealth and abundance flowing into your life effortlessly. This number encourages you to embrace opportunities for growth and success. Let its infinite energy remind you of your limitless potential. Now that you know these 7 numbers, how can you use them? Start small. For example, try creating a combination of these numbers and keep it with you, written on a piece of paper. Or incorporate them into your daily life, when choosing a lottery ticket number, creating passwords, or even decorating your home. By doing so, you align yourself with their vibrations. Let their energy work in subtle yet powerful ways. Small steps can lead to significant transformations over time. Imagine creating your personal amulet of luck. Write these numbers down and keep the note in your wallet or bag. This way, you'll carry their energy with you, and they will work for your benefit. Think of it as a daily reminder of your goals and aspirations. This small step can lead to big changes in your life. Such an amulet can serve as a source of inspiration whenever you need it. You can also try visualizing these numbers in your life. For example, imagine how the number 8 helps you achieve financial stability, while the number 7 guides you towards spiritual balance. Visualization is a powerful tool for attracting what you desire. Picture yourself surrounded by these numbers, their energy filling your space. Believe in their potential to transform your reality. With regular practice, visualization can become a cornerstone of your success. To amplify the effect, use these numbers during meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine each number as a bright light filling your space. Feel how their energy flows into you, bringing confidence and inspiration. Repeat their names as mantras, allowing their vibrations to resonate within you. Meditation is your gateway to aligning with these energies. Over time, this practice will deepen your connection to their power. Another way is to incorporate these numbers into rituals. For instance, light a candle and, with each inhale, say one of the numbers. Imagine it activating and starting to work for you. This will not only bring you luck, but also give you a sense of control over your life. Rituals enhance your connection to these energies. Use them as tools to manifest your desires. Combining rituals with intention amplifies their impact even further. And remember, numbers work only if you believe in their power. Start with small steps, and soon you will see how the energy of these numbers begins to manifest in your life. Let go of doubts and embrace their magic. Trust in the journey these numbers can guide you on. Your belief is the key to unlocking their full potential. Now, I want to know, which of these numbers resonates with you the most? Write it in the comments, and maybe it will become your lucky charm for the day. Share your experiences with these numbers, and let's create a community of positivity. Your story might inspire someone else to find their luck. Together, we can learn and grow from each other's journeys. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more fascinating topics about numbers, symbols, and the magic of everyday life. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. After all, someone might be looking for their path to luck and happiness right now. Together, we can unlock the mysteries of life and discover new possibilities. Thank you for being part of this amazing journey. If we reach 5,000 likes on this video, I'll share how to calculate your financial code using numerology and achieve success. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Your support means the world to us. Let's continue this journey together. The path to understanding the magic of numbers is just beginning. May these 7 numbers bring you happiness, luck, and harmony. See you again, friends. And remember, the power of numbers is always with you. Trust in their energy, and let them guide you to a brighter future. Until next time, stay inspired and connected. Believe in yourself, and the universe will align in your favor.